glorious December day, and I just got my hairs cut. Looking good, feeling good. Now I'm gonna look for a surge protector at the Home Depot. Need a new surge protector. Did you say, oh my goodness?
I said goodness gracious.
Oh, goodness gracious. You don't understand. This is the first Steam PC that I've built, and I'm shoving it into an Atari 2600 case. It's gorgeous, except it's all gutsy right now. So, okay. Please don't explode. The fan is on. I see no magic smoke so far. We are booting. Ah! Yes, yes, yeah. Okay. This might take a little bit to go. It's installing. I see no magic smoke, so that's good. Electronics run off the smoke. When you let the smoke out, they stop working.
Oh, that's right.
That's right. You've seen it. If electronics smoke, they don't work anymore. You're not supposed to let the magic smoke out.
I mean, that proves true. It's highly suspicious to me.
So much candy. Oh wow, look at that. Assorted. You got the milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and a bunch of other ones that I'm not aware of. Oh, ooh.
That's dark chocolate.
I thought dark chocolate was the red one, and this is milk chocolate.
Oh, I thought milk chocolate was the red one. Yeah, milk chocolate is the red one.
Alright, well, caramel sea salt.
Oh.
Extra dark.
Salt, extra dark.
I was right, blue is dark. Huh. And then caramel sea salt, and caramel sea salt.
Oh,
that is
$20.
That's good stuff there. Everybody loves Lindor truffles. Mmm. Walmart. Maltesers. Look at all the chocolates. Ferrero Rochers and Christmas decorations galore. Giant Ferrero Rochers. So much candy. So much candy. There's more candy here than there was during Halloween.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Reese's lava cake.
Ooh. Man. If it's the Reese's peanut butter. Ugh. I love chocolate oranges. These are delicious. Oh, there we go. Chocolate covered cherries. You cannot go wrong. Look at this. Oh, look. These are blueberries.
Oh.
That's cool. And you got the cherry. I love chocolate covered cherries. I love this. This right here.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like $10. Wow.
It's not bad. There's your individual servings of s'mores.
Yeah.
Look at all this stuff. Oh, Starbucks, cocoa, and mug.
Oh, that's our cart right now.
Yeah, I know, but like it's all the good stuff. It's all the amazing stuff. Just amazing, cool. We have bombed the house to rid the cockroaches, and there's Oreo hiding. Hi, Oreo. What's the matter? Rodrigo is crying.
I'm here. I'm asking wrong.
Where is he? Rodrigo! Rodrigo! No kitten in here. He could be anywhere. I heard him. Oreo's hiding under the couch. Oh, there he is. Rodrigo, what's the matter? Okay.
I'm telling you, he's saying, I don't know what you guys did in here. I don't like it.
He's very suspicious. Why we kept him out for 4 hours. Keegan, on the other hand, is happy as can be. Keegan's a doop-de-doo. Finished my classes today. Got a 97 in business math, and a 99 in intro to office. All done with college for the fall semester. When will I be able to resume college? Dunno. It's cold. Cold. We have a freeze warning on right now. There's only 60 in this apartment. Gotta warm it up. Warming, 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 warming. Yeah. Warming. Instructions and recipes. You might be able to find recipes in this here book that it came with. Ta-da! What a great gift. I love it. I love it. I now have a mixer that I can use to mix things. Yeah. And now, fries. Why? For case fans, of course. The Atari PC needs fans. Getting too hot. They really went all out for the NES Classic. This thing is awesome. Good old NES Advantage. Filet mignon. It's gonna be good.